Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin this process, you'll need a few tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dust removal. Ensure your Dyson V8 is unplugged and turned off. Step 1. Remove the battery cover. Start by locating the battery cover on the back of your Dyson V8. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, unscrew the two screws holding the battery cover in place. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Once the cover is removed, you'll see the battery secured with another screw. Remove this screw and gently pull the battery out from the connector. Be careful not to force it, as you don't want to damage the connection. Step 3. Clean the internal components. Before you install the new battery, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the battery compartment. Using a clean cloth, wipe down the area to ensure a good connection with the new battery. Regular maintenance can greatly improve the longevity of your device. Step 4. Install the new battery. Now, take your new compatible Dyson V8 battery and align it carefully with the connector. Gently push it into place until you feel it click. Replace the screw that secures the battery, ensuring it is snug but not over-tightened. Step 5. Reattach the battery cover. With the battery securely in place, it's time to reattach the cover. Position the cover back on the vacuum and insert the two screws you removed earlier. Again, be cautious not to over-tighten them. If you find yourself without the necessary tools or feel unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Just reach out to us, and we'll be happy to assist you. Step 6. Testing the vacuum. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your Dyson V8 and turn it on. Test the vacuum to ensure it's working properly. A good battery should provide a strong suction and run smoothly. If you encounter any issues or prefer a hassle-free experience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel required. Just schedule a service, and we'll take care of the rest. Step 7. Final touches. Finally, make sure to dispose of the old battery responsibly according to your local regulations. Keeping your environment clean is just as important as maintaining your vacuum. For any further assistance or if you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.